Hello everyone. Today we're going to be testing out, it's Temu time, so we're going to be testing out the battery operated Temu mini chainsaw. Alright, that's the saw. Alright, let's go find something to cut. Oh, here we go. We're going to cut this here piece of wood. Alright, let's see how the saw does. It's going to be hard holding the phone and cutting, but here we go. Oh shit, hold on. Here we go. See that? Oh man, this stuff is cutting pretty dang on good, if I must say. It cut that off in about 30 seconds. This is a pretty good little saw. Anyway, Temu saw made by, I don't know, UNYUNKXI, something like that. Anyway, Temu, $49.99, hit me on the site. Buy two.